Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to launch Google Chrome in incognito mode. In incognito mode you can go through your normal browsing and surfing activities without worrying about leaving your history and cookies on the computer or device. First step is launch Google Chrome browser. Then click the button, the three horizontal dot on the right upper corner of the browser. This will bring down the main menu. Then click New Incognito window from the menu. A new Google Chrome browser window will open in incognito mode. You can also open a new incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N for Windows. In the mode you can use Google Chrome in private without it saving all the things you are doing on the internet, like sites you visit or file your downloads. When you exit your incognito section, this will be removed. This feature is available in all Google Chrome browser across several platforms, including your computer, your Android devices, and your iOS mobile devices. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.